My name is Andrew Churchill. I'm the Vice President of Public Sector at Qlik. Qlik is a 30-year-old analytics and data management, data integration leader who has recently launched our FedRAMP platform on AWS GovCloud. So I'm thrilled to be here talking to your customers and your team. My expectations for the event are really, the opportunity to engage with this great community. Despite the fact that cloud's been going for a long time, we're really, at the beginning of the sort of what I would call momentum. That's for us as well. We're getting more of our services into GovCloud. We are building more integrations, both with AWS native services and third-party providers. And, our opportunity here is to communicate how we're part of, the toolbox that AWS presents within its ecosystem. And I think their expectations are to learn what those opportunities are. What have their peers done? What can I tell them about work I'm doing with one organization that may be interesting to them? Obviously, as software innovation companies, we're constantly delivering new things. We're all focused here today on AI and data strategy. There's a lot happening there. So, I hope their opportunity, what they're here for is to learn about what they're going to be able to do in the next 12 to 18 months that hasn't been possible before. So right now, where I see them focused is largely on right now the conversation, a lot of large language model, that's the big topic of the day. But right now we're at a pretty early phase for AI and ML adoption. I think there is this sort of tug of war going on between I want to do the things at the front end and I need to lay down my foundation, because let's face it, we really never finished the work of getting systems, getting data effectively into the GovCloud to be able to be leveraged there. Obviously, there's an integration problem. The networks are a challenge. Security and policy, ATOs, those are a big challenge. So, a lot of what we will be talking about today is how do we help them manage that process of integrating the, hybrid, diverse environments that they manage? How do we help them understand how they can adhere to the policies while enabling those things that, obviously they're focused on? How do they make AI central to, their capabilities that support mission? How do they, begin to build large language models to get efficiencies? I think that's where that momentum is going. I really think, again, consolidation, the easy button there is going to be leveraging capabilities in AWS, centralizing the data that can feed them. Building them is not a problem. It is, bringing together that data. And until they've been able to, tackle those issues of integration, landing in S3 is probably the easy button for them being able to drive momentum. Our expectation, when working with AWS is that, we can take advantage of the team that AWS has built, both with its partners and with its employees. That gives us reach that we can't possibly ever have on our own. We can't possibly maintain all of those relationships and be engaged with those stakeholders. So our opportunity is to inform your teams, inform your partners' teams, and be part of the solution to these mission areas.